Thank you very much, Rohit sir, for your help. With your help, I was able to achieve my desired score, which was more than 79 in each module. Thank you very much. Your tips and tricks really helped a lot in my exam. Thank you.
The organization is focused on providing quality education to students from all backgrounds. The company is working with local businesses to promote economic development in the region. The study indicates that a lack of sleep can negatively affect cognitive performance. The team has implemented several changes to improve overall customer satisfaction. The new initiative aims to provide financial support to underprivileged communities. The event is designed to help professionals expand their network and knowledge. The research suggests that physical activity can have a positive impact on mental health. The company is planning to launch a new product line in the coming months. The organization is focused on developing innovative solutions to meet market demands. The team is working on implementing new technologies to enhance customer experience. The program is designed to help students improve their communication and leadership skills. The report outlines strategies for improving employee engagement and productivity. The project will aim to reduce waste and improve recycling efforts in the community. The conference will feature key speakers from the tech and healthcare industries. The company has introduced a new initiative to promote sustainability in its operations. The report includes recommendations for improving the efficiency of supply chains. The company is committed to providing high-quality products at affordable prices. The event organizers are working to ensure everything runs smoothly on the day. The study found a direct link between education level and career success. The team has identified several areas for improvement in the Compagnie Euro S operations.